We got up at 4:55 this morning.
Yeah.
In order to actually find parking in Glacier.
We hope.
We hope.
It is now 6:30 and it is just starting to rain. So hopefully with the rain and the super early morning, we can get up there and find a spot. But where we are staying, we're about 40 miles from Logan Pass. And I think if you were staying at East Glacier, it's what, like 10 miles?
Oh, yeah,
So
that's true.
I think that's why it fills up so early, because people can get to it easier.
From East Glacier.
Yeah.
Logan's Pass is up at the top of the going to the Sun Road before you head back over the other side of the mountain. And we've gone up there twice and haven't been able to get a spot. So today we were like, we're doing this.
It's
And apparently,
always filled.
we're going to be doing this in the rain. This is what happens when you have someone driving who's afraid to drive on mountain roads and it's raining. It's a line of about 20 cars behind somebody who keeps stopping when another car comes from the other direction.
People on this road have driven me nuts.
It feels really narrow. I'll be honest. I'm kind of terrified at times, but it's really not as terrifying as it feels in the car. So there's so much room. Look at us.
This is the third time we've been on this road, and I don't think we've had to cross the yellow line except for laziness ever. Just laziness where we don't want to have to take all the lines and there's nobody on the road and you just cut down the middle. Other than that, there's been no reason to have to cut it's not that narrow.
Such a long line of cars now. Oh my goodness.
Well, now we know. Getting up at 4 in the morning. Well, we don't know yet. Half a mile ahead is the visitor center. We'll see if we actually get a parking spot. It takes an hour to get up here. Maybe a little less if you don't have somebody going 4 miles an hour. So it takes an hour to get up here from where we are staying. And it may be full.
Well, yeah, all the other people are going to come from the other side of East Glacier, and this person up here that's got about 50 cars behind them.
This is the whole parking lot is back behind us.
Yeah.
So I don't see how it could be empty, but we'll see. Here's hoping.
Yeah.
So
If not, here's to trying again tomorrow.
We get all the way up here and it's just fogged in.
Fogged in completely. It started raining while we were driving up here. It wasn't supposed to start raining until 10. But, you know, that's being out in the wild, right?
Yep.
And we're seeing some stuff that is pretty cool, so.
The back of these cars.
Yeah. I love it. Utah plates are great. Did that say it was full?
Parking lot is full.
I think that said it was full.
Parking lot is full. That's what it says on the sign, but it could be early enough that nobody is up here yet to flip the sign. Maybe they just always leave it full.
That's what I was saying yesterday. I was saying I think that they just leave it to say that it's always full. This is the parking spot. Can't even see it.
All I can see is the car in front of us. Wow, I can't even see the parking stall or the parking spots. I know there are some.
Wow, this is so crazy.
Yeah, no, I'll keep over here. Wow, it's pretty full already. It may be that it's
feel like, do you think people just sleep up here?
I don't know.
Hoping to get a spot?
Almost looked like a spot.
I know.
It's official. We got a spot. It is 7:02, and the parking lot is not full yet. However, it is so densely foggy up here. We couldn't see the spot until we were like turning into it.
So now we've got our spot at Logan's Pass.
It's 7 o'clock. It's
you
raining.
You can't see anything.
We can't really hike anywhere because it's foggy and raining. So now we're just gonna wait till the visitor center opens?
I guess.
Let's go find out what time it opens. It'll have to be like 11.
All right, get our rain slickers.
We're gonna be sitting in the car for 4 hours waiting for the place to open.
We decided to wait for a little bit to see if it would clear up, because right now you can see hardly anything.
It probably won't because the storm is supposed to move in later today. But we're all the way up here. Might as well look.
Yeah. It was a really cool drive.
Yeah.
I don't regret coming out here.
It was
Yeah.
nice.
Oh. Ryan and I were just saying, I don't think that we've ever, like, both of us reclined our seats all the way back and just hung out in the car. I don't know why we would, but...
Because it's 45 degrees outside and raining, and we have nowhere else to go. Nothing's open.
It's not surprising that this is the first time we've ever reclined our seats all the way and just hung out in the car for no reason. Well, there is a reason, but just hung out. It's very cozy.
Uh-huh. We're in the heater for a little bit. The visitor center is not opening because of COVID, and only the gift shop is open because apparently making money is fine, but putting people in a building for information is not.
Yeah, you can come in and risk COVID to buy some stickers and a couple of sweatshirts, but don't come in looking for information about the area.
So there's no heat out there. The bathrooms aren't heated. They don't even have lights in them.
They were warmer though.
But they don't have lights in them.
That's true.
They're not heated. They're probably just warm from yesterday. So it's cold outside.
Anyways.
And raining.
Since these videos are kind of like a scrapbook for us of our trip, I just thought,
remember the time?
I would love to remember the time that we were sitting in a cloud, reclined in our car, and we've been listening to music.
Up at the Continental Divide.
Good times.
Mm-hmm. The Continental Divide. We're at 6,600 feet elevation. Well, we were able to park this time, but
At least all the smoke is gone.
the smoke is gone, but I can't say that the view has improved. And it's what, like 45 degrees out?
It's so cold.
All right, let's go back to the car. We're gonna wait for the sun to come up a little bit. It's still only 7:30 in the morning. So the sun's coming up and visibility is improving a little bit, but it's really cold, it's pretty windy, and we can see about, what, 200 feet?
And it's starting to rain again.
Yeah, it's starting to rain again. So we're gonna go sit in the car for a little bit and see how it changes.
So Ryan and I decided that we're gonna head back down and stop along the way, maybe take a hike down on the valley floor, and we will try again tomorrow morning.
We've been up here, this is the third time we've been up here, and only the first time we've gotten a parking spot.
But there's lots of parking spots today.
Tons.
But maybe not as good a reason to come out. We were just talking about how this is pretty good weather for people who just want to hike. Just get out and hike. But I feel like unless you're hiking up somewhere really tall, you're not getting above these clouds. So let's go see what else we can find to do today.
Going below the clouds. Down lower.
We're doing it.
Yeah. It's 45 degrees out, cloudy, and it rained this morning. We're up at the summit at 6,600 feet, Logan Pass. We're gonna go hike out a little bit and see if we can get below the clouds for a view, because the smoke has cleared. But up here, you wouldn't really be able to tell much. Although it doesn't smell like smoke anymore. It smells like fresh rain. Highland Trail.
Yikes.
Bear spray. I remembered to bring ours today.
You want me to find it?
I think I saw it. I think you could see it. Fire restrictions. Stage 2 fire restrictions. Everything's burning and smoking, and then a day later it's cloudy and rainy.
Wet.
I like it. And cold.
Very cold.
It's just starting to break through. Wow.
Whoa, that's intense. Ooh, I'm glad I doubled up on the sweatshirt.
Oh wow, you can see down below. Hey little squirrels.
Oh, hi. Oh, aren't you cute? Whoa! What the heck?
Excuse me.
Sis?
Personal space.
You just ran between my feet.
Sounds fat.
Oh my goodness. We almost didn't do this, and I'm so glad we did, because whew, what an experience. I mean, check that out. I'm keeping my eyes on the road, so, but look at it from this way. I got my rope. It's really cool.
Well, it's now starting to rain pretty good. I'm gonna have to, yeah, can you put my thing on?
Where is it?
At the very base. I'm gonna have to put this camera away. It's too wet. The rain has died down for the moment. The sky's cleared behind us a little bit, so have a little bit of a view. But it definitely looks like the cloud ceiling is about 6,500 feet. I think we're just a little below that now. Maybe 7,000 over the valley. But you can see it coming over this is the pass right here. Clouds coming over. It's not smoky anymore, but we are missing some views still. All these peaks are hidden. But we'll take what we can get. It's better than being out here breathing really thick smoke. Hey, look, the first mountaintop is peeking through.
Yeah.
roof out of a wooden block.
It's a rock. Isn't that bizarre? I love it. Nature is awesome. I'll put it right up here.
Put it back.
That's so cool.
We're almost back to the park, cut into the side of the mountain.
The cliffs of insanity.
Look up above us now. The clouds are breaking a little. That's pretty cool.
I think this is my favorite part of the trail.
Yeah, me too.
The fog closed in again. We're once again in the cloud. And look at Montana's rocks are just so colorful. Look at this cascade of rocks coming down from the mountains that are now enshrouded.
This is what the Highline Trail looks like. We are almost back up to the pass. And it's all fogged in up here still. But we've passed a lot of people that took the shuttle up. And this trail goes all the way down and connects to the road. So a lot of people are doing that. But we don't have a bus ticket because you need to do reservations right now. So we have to hike back to our car. We literally got to the car and it started pouring on us.
Buckets.
Buckets. Right at 10 o'clock, which is what our forecast said.
You drive.
So phooey on you, ranger person who said he didn't think it was gonna rain much.
Yesterday, Brian talked to somebody at a ranger station and he was like, yeah, I wouldn't count on the rain. So it actually rained, started bucketing.
Yeah, right at 10 o'clock, right when my weather app said it was going to.
That's a meteorological word.
Yeah, bucketing.
Bucketing.
But it's like cats and dogs, but less cruelty to animals.
Let's all make the switch from the images of canine and feline friends falling from great heights to just saying bucketing.